Hello everyone, praise God. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a headband. Start by making a slip knot, then make 10 plus 1 chains. Yarn over. On the second chain from hook, make half double crochet. Make half double crochet up to the end of the row. Row 2, make 5 half double crochet. Ensure that you have 5 stitches. Then make 15 chains. Always remember to count the number of chains. On the 5th stitch, insert the hook. Pull the loop to have 2 loops on the hook, then pull through the 2 loops. Make the last 5 half double crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. Make 5 half double crochet on the back loop. Make 20 single crochets on the loop. Make 5 double crochet on the back loop. Make the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Make 5 half double crochet. Always ensure that you have 5 stitches. Make 15 chains. Join with the 5th stitch on the other side with a half double crochet. Continue making half double crochet stitches. Chain 1 and turn your work. Then make 5 half double crochet. Make 20 single crochet around the loop. Make 5 half double crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. Make 5 half double crochet. Make 15 chains. Join with the 5th stitch on the other side with half double crochet. Then make half double crochet up to the end of the row. Repeat the process. Make 20 to 22 loops. Pick the first loop and join with the second loop. Continue joining up to the last loop. The headband should be like this. Fix the button. Finish and cut the yarn. Reduce the size of the loop to fit the size of the button that you will use. The headband is beautiful and easy to make. Thanks for watching.